You're watching episode 42 of the Tax Smart Daily, a daily video series for real estate investors to learn how to be tax smart. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications about future videos that we release. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Tax Smart Daily. I'm Brandon Hall, and before we get started, I invite you to join our Tax Smart Facebook group and the Tax Smart newsletter. Links to both of those are in the description of this video. Today's topic is keeping in line with the paying your children theme that we have going on this week. The question comes out of one of the Facebook groups that I'm on, and the question is, if I'm paying my child for my rental properties, I don't see any wages line item on Schedule E because rentals are reported on Schedule E of your tax returns, and there's no wages or anything like that listed on Schedule E. So can I even pay my children if I have rental properties? And the answer is yes, you can pay your children for working in your rental properties. The job has to be a real job. The pay has to be reasonable. And what that means, those two statements combined are, if you were to outsource that real job to somebody else, what would you pay them? That's generally what you can pay your children. And that's a very summarized answer to how that actually works. So I wouldn't really recommend paying your children without getting expert advice or somebody to look over that. But the point is that you can pay your children to work on your rental properties, and you would deduct the wages that you pay your children on Schedule E, line 19, where it says other expenses. You would just list it out as another expense. The reality is that Schedule E doesn't have enough space to list out every little thing that you could possibly deduct, which is why they give you line 19 for other expenses, as long as they are ordinary and necessary to operate your business. And paying wages to somebody is ordinary and necessary to operate your business. Thanks so much for watching this episode of the Tax Smart Daily. If you have any comments or questions, or if anything that I said resonates with you, drop me a line below. I love engaging with the community. And join us online. We have tons of different things that we're doing. Links to all of our social media is down below, and then links to the Facebook group is down below as well. Join the Facebook group. We'd love to have you in it.